India, in fact, has started the mammoth exercise of evacuating lakhs of stranded Indians across the globe. At least 64 international flights will be operated from Thursday for a week to evacuate Indians stranded in 12 countries, including the United States, United Kingdom, East and West Asian nations. Take a look at this comprehensive report on what all you need to know if you have relatives stuck abroad in few of these countries.
India is gearing up for Mission Vande Bharat, a massive drive to evacuate Indians stranded across the globe. Beginning Thursday, India will press 64 flights and 14 warships into service to bring back 90,000 tourists, students and workers. The centre is aiming to evacuate close to 2,000 Indians per day over the next 1 week through flights. In phase 1, Indians will be evacuated from Gulf countries and Maldives. In the next phase, Indian nationals stuck in United Kingdom, US, Iran, Malaysia, Singapore and Philippines will be extracted.
The 7 scheduled flights taking Indians to the UK are just the first phase. In the absence of the declaration on when the second phase will come through, it leaves a lot of distressed and angry people here back in the UK, because a large number of them won't be able to go back on these flights because they are selective and not elective, selected on the priority basis in the vulnerable categories.
Those looking to return to India will have to pay up. Different fares have been fixed by the government for different routes. The evacuation flight for those stranded will cost anywhere between Rs 15,000 to 1 lakh. 2 Indian Navy ships, INS Jalashwa and INS Magar, are already moving to Maldives, and INS Shardul is setting sail to Dubai as part of the sea evacuation drive. The MHA has also readied a repatriation plan for all those who were brought back. They will be quarantined for a minimum of 14 days in a government facility and will be subjected to regular health checks for COVID symptoms. All returnees will have to download the Arogya Setu app.
The mammoth task of bringing back Indian nationals begins on the 7th of May, with 14,800 Indian nationals to be brought back in the first phase in 64 aircraft and 3 Indian Navy ships from 12 countries, which includes the UK and the United States of America. In West Asia, we're looking at Saudi Arabia, Oman, Qatar, Bahrain, Kuwait. In the East, we're looking at Singapore, Philippines, Malaysia, and in the neighborhood, Indian nationals would be brought back from Bangladesh and from the Maldives. A Herculean task is being carried out in the Vande Bharat mission to bring back Indian nationals safely home. In New Delhi, Geeta Mohan for India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.